Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Virgin Media Broadband. First, unbox your Quick Start Kit and identify all components. Locate the white wall socket, typically a small box with a single port. Take the coaxial cable from your kit and firmly screw one end into this wall socket. Make sure it is finger-tight for a secure connection, preventing signal loss. This initial step is crucial for a stable internet service. Next, take the other end of the coaxial cable and connect it to the corresponding port on your Virgin Media hub. Then, plug the power cable into your hub and into an electrical wall socket. Switch on the power at the wall. Your hub will now begin to power up. Please allow approximately 5 to 10 minutes for the lights on the hub to become stable, indicating it is ready. Once your hub lights are stable, you can connect your devices. For wireless access, find the Wi-Fi network name and password on the sticker located on your hub. Select this network on your device and enter the password. If you prefer a wired connection, use an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into any yellow port on the back of your hub and the other into your computer or gaming console. Finally, open a web browser on a connected device and navigate to the Virgin Media activation page. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete your service activation. If your hub lights do not stabilize after 15 minutes, try restarting the hub by turning it off and on again. Should you still experience issues after 30 minutes, please contact Virgin Media customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.